Do you know you can generate unlimited images and videos with Meta AI completely free? And in this video, I'm going to share a secret method to create long AI videos using Meta AI without spending a single penny. Not just that, you can now generate Midjourney quality images inside Meta AI for free. Yes, Meta AI has officially collaborated with Midjourney, which means you can access Midjourney's power directly inside Meta AI at no cost. But before I reveal the secret method, have a look at this 3-minute, 55-second AI-generated horror story video created entirely using Meta AI, absolutely free and unlimited.
Running blindly. Then one flame lit ahead. Aiko gasped. It wasn't a lantern this time. It was my own shadow burning. I stumbled back. The burning shadow stepped toward me.
If you want to learn this method properly, don't skip. Missing even one step can break your entire workflow, so watch carefully till the end. Now, to create a highly engaging, long AI horror story video, the most important part is the script. So simply go to ChatGPT and ask it to write an engaging 2D Ghibli-style horror suspense story narration, script in English, under 3 minutes. If you prefer Hindi, you can ask for that as well. Make sure to tell ChatGPT to start with a strong suspense hook. Add a new suspense every 5 seconds. Keep only 2 characters. Keep the pacing tight. ChatGPT will instantly generate a complete narration script for you. Next, and we need text-to-image prompts for all scenes. So ask ChatGPT to provide scene-wise image prompts and very clearly mention that the characters must occupy 50% of the scene. Also tell it to include the narration line and scene number with every prompt. This will help you perfectly match each image to the narration during editing. Again, ChatGPT will provide all the scene-wise image prompts automatically. Once you have all the image prompts ready, the next step is the most important part of the video, generating the actual images. To do this, go to meta.ai. If you're using it for the first time, simply log in using your Facebook or Instagram account. After logging in, you'll see a feed of images and videos created by other users to generate your first image. Click on the Create button. Make sure the image option is selected. Then choose the aspect ratio from here if you want to create TikTok or YouTube Shorts videos. Select 9:16. But since I want a horizontal video, I'm selecting 16:9. Now, copy the text to image prompt for scene 1 from ChatGPT, paste it into Meta AI, and hit send within a few seconds. Meta AI will generate multiple high-quality images for your first scene, absolutely free and unlimited. Now, you can simply select the best version of the generated image and click on it. Next, you'll see multiple restyle options here. For example, if you want to convert the image into 3D style, just choose this option and bingo, your image instantly transforms into a 3D render. Similarly, if you want to convert the image into anime style, select this option and again, bingo, your image becomes fully anime styled. You can explore the rest of the styles too and choose whatever suits your video theme. Now, to convert this image into a video, you can click the animate button. However, this default animation does not allow you to enter a custom image to video prompt, which means the animation won't match your scene requirements. As you can see, the scene gets animated, but not the way we want for storytelling. So here's what to do. Go back and click on the image again. This time select the custom animate option. This mode allows you to enter your own image to video prompt. So the animation will follow your exact scene description. But before we can animate the image properly, we need to generate the image to video prompts for every scene. And we haven't done that yet. To generate them, go back to ChatGPT and ask, provide scene-wise video prompts where both characters' faces are clearly visible. They're facing the camera every time. Adding this instruction is very important if the characters disappear from the scene, then our trick to create long, continuous videos won't work. Also tell ChatGPT to include the narration line and scene number with every video prompt. This helps you instantly match scenes during editing, and bingo, ChatGPT will give you all the scene-wise video prompts instantly. Now simply copy the video prompt for scene 1 and paste it inside Meta AI's image to video prompt box. Next, Meta AI also allows us to add background music. Just click the Add Music option. Since we're creating a horror story, search for horror, preview a few tracks. and select the one that fits the scene best. Now hit animate and Meta AI will convert your image into a perfect video clip for scene 1. Let's preview it. Looks amazing, right? Here's the issue though. If you scroll the right sidebar, you'll see an extend video option, but this only extends the same animation, not the next scene. So we can't use it. Also, right-clicking won't give you any option to copy a frame from the video. So how do we move to the next scene while keeping continuity? Here's the secret trick. Download the video clip, play it in VLC Media Player. Pause on the last frame, press Shift plus S to take a snapshot, or manually go to Video, take Snapshot. This snapshot will serve as the starting frame for your next scene. Now, go back to Meta AI, close the previous project, change from image mode to video mode, upload the snapshot you just took, copy the video prompt for scene 2 from ChatGPT, paste it into Meta AI, and hit animate within seconds. Bingo, your scene 2 video clip is ready. Now repeat the same process for scene 3, Shiwan Preeti. Download scene 2, take the final snapshot in VLC, upload snapshot to Meta AI, paste scene 3's video prompt, and animate. Using the simple workflow, I generated all video clips for every scene with perfect continuity and 0 breaks. Next, a very important element of creating a highly engaging long AI video is generating a powerful voiceover for free. But here's the problem. If you simply copy your script and paste it into a free AI voice generator, you'll get a flat, robotic voice. It won't feel natural, emotional, or engaging. To fix this, we need to enhance the script with pauses, emphasis cues, and natural voice modulation without changing the meaning. And for that, we'll use ChatGPT use this prompt. Paste your narration script here. ChatGPT will rewrite your narration with perfect pacing, pauses, and natural delivery tone, ideal for voiceover. Within seconds, you'll get a voiceover-ready version of your script. Simply copy the enhanced script. Now, go to AI Studio's free AI voiceover generator. Click on Single Speaker Audio. You can preview voices from the list. For my testing, Enceladus gives the best results for horror story narration, deep, atmospheric, and expressive. Then paste the enhanced script into the text box. Now add this line right below it. Tell the following story in a playful, scary style as if you were talking to a group of campers at a campsite. This instruction makes the delivery more dramatic, eerie, and cinematic. Now hit the run button. Within a few seconds, boom! Your full narration voiceover is ready. Let's preview it.
The forest was silent until the lantern behind us lit up on its own.
If you're satisfied with the result, simply download the voiceover narration. Now comes the editing part. Open your favorite video editor and import all your video clips along with the voiceover. First, drag your voiceover file onto the timeline. Before anything else, we need to remove silent gaps from the narration. You can do this manually by cutting the empty portions, but if you're using Filmora, you can do it in one click. Just click Silence Detection, enter these settings, and hit Analyze. In a few moments, Filmora will automatically remove all silent pauses, then click Finish and Replace. Let's preview it.
The forest was silent until the lantern behind us lit up on its own. Aiko grabbed my arm.
Next, import all your video clips and place them on the timeline scene by scene, matching them with the narration. Once arranged, preview your full sequence to ensure everything flows smoothly.
The forest was silent until the lantern behind us lit up.
Now, to make your video even more immersive, add sound effects, footsteps, wind, whispers, forest ambience, anything that enhances the horror atmosphere. Once you're happy with everything, export the final video. And here's the final render.
The forest was silent until the lantern behind us lit up on its own. Aiko grabbed my arm, whispering, "Kenji, we didn't leave that lantern there." As we stepped back, the lantern slid forward across the leaves without anyone touching it. Both of us moved slowly, breathing fast. The light flickered, then the flame twisted upward like a small, screaming face. We turned.
The full video link is available in the description. You can watch it from there. If you're still watching, it means you found this tutorial valuable. So please support me by hitting the like button. And if you don't want to miss more powerful AI tutorials, make sure to subscribe also. And if you don't want to miss the secret method to create long videos using Grok AI, then you absolutely must watch these 2 videos.